Hi, and in this video I'm going to do something which has been really annoying me. If you listen to this, that's my Tesla and it makes the most annoying rattle. The problem is with the wheel trims. Now, it's a common fault with these Teslas where the clips get loose onto the alloy part of the wheel and they make the most annoying rattling sound. I've tightened the clips constantly and they just work their way loose and the problem just reoccurs and it just gets louder and louder. And now the better weather's here, got the window down, I hear it so much more. So I'm going to address the problem and fix it with this simple solution. So this is the offending wheel trim. As you can see, I've scuffed it quite badly, but if you listen, you can see it just sits really loose. It makes the most annoying rattling noise. So I'm going to pop this off and use this simple solution. Right, I'm actually in a car park in Lidl's, so I'm just going to pop this off. Coming off really easy because the clips are so loose on this cap, but you can see here they're just totally loose on the wheel trim. So we're going to now use the Temu solution to get this fixed. So what I've purchased is these. Basically it's just some draft excluder, which I'm going to pop around the wheel trim to tighten it up. So what I've done is I've just cut a small piece here, so that's going to act like a cushion. That is nice and soft, so it should absorb any of the rattling. So I'm going to go and do this on each piece and then go around the edge of the wheel trim as well to really try and secure it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go around the outer edge with this part and go all the way around the wheel trim. So that's the end piece there. So just trim that. So I've got some padding now going all around the perimeter of the wheel trim. What I probably should have done first is to probably have cleaned the wheel trim so it actually stuck a little bit better onto the trim. So probably should have done that first really. So that's all the clips now. Got the bit of draft excluder on. I'm now just going to do these parts now. So when the wheel's doing that side to side, it's going to cushion that. Okay, moment of truth. Will it work? Would help if I put it on the right way. Didn't put where the air filler is. It's on and it still moves, but it's not making that rotten rattling noise. Okay, what I realised was I didn't need to put them on those metal clips because it holds in a different way. So ignore that bit completely with the clips and just do what I showed with the outer and on the sides, and that will stop that rattle for you. So I hope that video was of help. If it is, please give us a like, please give us a subscribe, and let us know in the comments, have you given it a go and has it worked for you as well? So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.